Good morning dear students. Now today we are going to discuss some conceptual questions of P block elements. Right? The unit is P block elements and group number of P block elements is group 13. Group 13 it means boron family. First element is boron. Right? Which elements are placed in 13 group? First element is boron, then aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Right? Now first question, why boron forms electron deficient compounds? Which compounds are electron deficient and why? Electron deficient it means incomplete octet. Less than 8 electrons are present around boron. Right, in its compound. For example, BF3, BH3, each one is electron deficient. Right? Now children, first step. Answer of this question. Boron atomic number is 5. 2s2. First is 1s2, then 2s2. Then 2p1, right? General formula is ns2 np1. How many valence electrons are present? 3 valence electrons are present, right? What is the group valency of 13 group elements plus 3, right? And a compound of boron is BF3. Combining tendency is 3. Right? 3 fluorine atoms are attached with boron. Like this, B, F, 3 fluorine atoms. Right? How many electrons are present around central atom, which is boron? 6 electrons only. Right? 3 of its own. Like this, 1, 2, 3. And one more electron is coming from 3 fluorine atoms. Right? This is incomplete octet. Or molecule is electron deficient molecule. Why boron forms electron deficient compounds? Because in its compound, in different compounds of boron, compounds are electron deficient due to the incomplete octet. This is one limitation of octet rule. Okay. Now second question. Aluminium chloride exists as a dimer. Explain. Dimer means product of two molecules. Aluminium is placed in same group, 13 group, or same family, which is boron family. But why aluminium chloride exists as a dimer? Children, same combining tendency. What is valency of this aluminium? Plus 3. Combining tendency or combining capacity is 3. Incomplete octet is present. 3 electrons, valence electrons of its own and 3 valence electrons from 3 different chlorine atoms. Right? Now, this aluminium chloride exists as a dimer, product of two molecules. Like this, Al. Al, chlorine, chlorine. Chlorine is a single molecule. AlCl3. Dimer means like this. Then what is its formula? Al2Cl6. Right? Now second molecule. Complete structure of dimer, right? Now, what is the reason this AlCl3 exists in dimeric form? Same reason, like which character is shown by compounds of boron? Electron deficient compound. This AlCl3 is also electron deficient. To complete its octet, aluminium chloride forms a dimer. Aluminium is bigger than boron, right? So what happens? Product of aluminium exists in dimeric form. right? Total 6 electrons are present. 1, 2 and 3, and 4th electron of this, 5th of this, 6th electron of this. How many electrons are required to complete its octet? 2 electrons, right? And which atom acts as donor atom? Electron efficient. And which atom is electron efficient? Halogen, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 lone pairs of electrons are present. 7th electron is forming bond, covalent bond, right? Now, what is the type of this bond? This bond is coordinate. Donor atom is halogen. One pair of electron, lone pair of electron is given by chlorine to aluminium. Then bonding between two. This bond is called coordinate bond, right? And second coordinate bond forms in a diagonal manner, opposite manner. Just opposite of this, right children? 6 electrons, 7 and 8 electrons, right? For second molecule, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one pair is coming from chlorine atom of first molecule. This bond is coordinate bond, right? And state is a dimeric state, right? Aluminium chloride forms a dimer to complete its octet. For completion of octet of aluminium atom in AlCl3 molecule. Now third question, anhydrous aluminium chloride is used as a catalyst. Anhydrous means without water. Anhydrous aluminium chloride is used as catalyst, right? Lewis catalyst. Anhydrous aluminium chloride acts as catalyst, right? What is the type of this catalyst? Acid catalyst. Which type of acid? Lewis acid. Lewis acid. Lewis acid catalyst. Because AlCl3 is electron deficient molecule. Any electron deficient molecule acts as Lewis acid. Right? For example, in Friedel-Crafts alkylation process, in benzene, the cyclic structure of benzene, which compound C6H6, hexagonal shape, chlorine, reaction of chlorine with benzene, and this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. This is halogenation. Friedel-Crafts reaction is reaction in the presence of alkyl halide, like this, plus CH3Cl, and catalyst is anhydrous AlCl3. Right children, this is Friedel-Crafts. When only chlorine is taken, benzene and chlorine, then reaction is halogenation. And for halogenation of benzene, what is required? FeCl3. FeCl3 also acts as catalyst, but here is discussion of AlCl3. AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3 acts as catalyst. This is electron deficient molecule. In alkylation process, the Cl minus is withdrawn, is abstracted by AlCl3 and forms AlCl4 minus, right? And alkylation of benzene. Alkylation means introduction, attachment of hydrocarbon, alkyl group to benzene ring. This process is alkylation, right? Now children, this is catalyst. Use of AlCl3 as catalyst without being used in the system. This is initiated. This alkylation process occurs in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. In the absence of this one, this process is not possible. Catalyst is initiated, right? then plus 3 oxidation state. In which group? 13 group. Group number is 13. Children, the stability of lower oxidation state increases down the group, on moving down the group, right? What is the reason? Due to inert pair effect. For example, boron is first element, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. On moving down the group, stability of +1 oxidation state increases. Compounds of thallium are more stable in +1 oxidation state than +3 oxidation state. Right? Group oxidation state is +3, but more stable state is +1 for bottommost element. Right? Due to inert pair effect. Inert pair effect. Right? General electron configuration is NS2 and P1 for balanced shell. Due to inert pair effect, S electrons do not participate in the chemical bond formation. Only P electron participates in the chemical reaction or chemical bond formation. When only one electron is removed, then what is the oxidation state? +1. When S and P electrons are removed, then what is the oxidation state? +3. And what is the cause of inert pair effect? Increasing effective nuclear charge. Right? This increasing effective nuclear charge increases the stability of +1 oxidation state. Right? Next one, why does not boron form B3 plus I? Right? Boron forms covalent compounds, not ionic compounds. What is the reason? Like BF3 is covalent compound. Answer 4. Fifth answer. Children, for formation of cation, what is required? Ionization energy. For removal of valence electrons, some amount of energy is required, right? But boron is first element in 13th group. For removal of all 3 valence electrons, very high amount of energy is required. Due to its very high value of IE, boron does not form compounds in 3+ state, or boron does not form ionic compounds. Boron forms only covalent compound, and covalent compounds are formed due to sharing of electrons. Due to sharing of valence electrons, like in BF3. What is the type of chemical bond? Covalent bond. But on moving down the group, change in behavior of compound from covalent to ionic nature. Okay, thank you.